Yo, Vybz Kartel is unstoppable. Yeah, man. The world boss is unstoppable. What's good, people? You don't know about Jambisco. Welcome back to Jambisco TV. You don't know they are another update. You see me, they are another bad update and a mad update, never a sad update. At least not this time. Yeah, man. So hit like and subscribe so you get more updates like this. Yeah, man. The world boss, Vybz Kartel, is unstoppable. Yeah, man. Unstoppable is no longer a name of a Vybz Kartel track. Are the name of our vibes our name of Vybz Kartel, straight vibes from liquor. No, man, it's a way of life for the charge. Yeah, man, no joke, man. Vybz Kartel has only been out. People forget now. Vybz Kartel has only been out for 6 to 7 months. And so far, this man has just not only been killing it in social media, in music, and just overall entertainment. The man just been killing it on and off the stage, on and off the track. You see me I say, in the 6 and 7 months, Vybz Kartel have been out. Not only has this man released his own grabber, released him own liquor. We seen him give back to fans. You see me? Not only did he keep one of the biggest shows of the year or in Jamaica's history, you see me? Not only that, but the man also come back and re-release his 10th anniversary edition for his hit album Viking, which was originally released in 2015. The man released it with 5 additional tracks, such as Dreams Are Made Of.
Vagina is what dreams are made of. On your back wheel we can fuck or make love. Sometimes, so alright, me want lock it all night. So alright, the girl.
Polite.
Come here now. Like custom, strip you down. Come me 2 balls, flick your tongue. Then you ride me cocky till me come.
It a tape.
It a tape, yeah. Laws are no rape. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I rape. Remember out the road, say pussy that sweat in a paint. But no left your condom, what she see now, what she see. It a tape, yeah. Laws are no rape.
And a porn flick.
You're pretty brown and I have sex with me. My body so good, she keep texting me. Feed a good pussy there, fi caress me.
You see me as a gang. Yeah, so the man just been burning up road. He's been doing crazy. And not only that, his new release of the 10th anniversary Viking album has seemed to have knocked Bob Marley out of the #1 position for a more streamed album. At least he debuted at #1. You see me I say, which will go long. No one knows how long it lasts. I don't know say how it go in a dance. You know say person will come in a project and re-release it. It would knock Bob Marley off the top for a few, you know what I'm saying, for a few days or for a few months, and then he's back over. But who knows, man? Maybe he continues this reign and he may remain up there. But yeah, Vybz Kartel has been making crazy moves. Like I said, releasing one, release grabber, liquor. You see me make hits, hit singles such as Comet, Whites, Good Light. Like man just been going to work, and he's only been out for 6 months. We've seen him take social media by storm. You see me I say, and you see me, and latest addition to, you know, to the move Vybz Kartel is making. Not only we see him donate $1 million to his Waterford Primary School. Yeah, the school he attended before he attended Calabar High. Yeah, so Vybz Kartel down here, he's been giving back to the community. You see me taking care of friends and family. And now in his latest journey, man, this man go apparently, you see me? Apparently this man has received his visa, his US visa, and right now he's headed back to the States.
If you're not going to get back, if you don't still give me with it, back my visa.
Where's the babes?
What is on the menu?
I'm out.
You see me? Right now, actually, he's in the States right now. Man in Florida, just don't touch down fresh in Florida. You see me? Speculated to attend the Grammys, which should be this Sunday. You see me? I say, which I believe is the 3rd of February, the 2nd of February. You see me? I say, yeah, he's believed to attend the Grammys, where he's nominated for his project, I believe, Viking or Party With Me. You see me? I say, which is a good look, people. People are speculating that he might win, and that his stiff competition right now might be Shensia and Bob Marley and the Wheelers. You see me? I say so. Yeah, we'll check it out and see that girl. But yeah, Vybz Kartel not only didn't successfully transition the unstoppable me from just a song and from just a liquor to a way of life. This man is out here making moves. He's making crazy moves that other dancehall artists haven't been making. Like he's burning up. He's like literally tearing up the media right now. You see me? Man, I dropped the banger song them. You see me? Him have the hot talk. You see me? I'm out, it a tape. You see me? I say, kiss me, baby, all of that. The man have the complete package as a star. You see me? I say, yeah, man, no joke. Like, Vybz Kartel out here doing the big. Like, enough people are saying, yo, man, bring back dancehall, revive dancehall again. His man make nice dancehall nice again. Yeah, man, Vybz Kartel definitely flexing his, I would say, his star power muscles. You see me? I say, yeah, man, I sure say he's a star for real. You see me? Even people making comparisons between him and Beanie Man, because you don't know, Beanie Man did go to Florida or touch America the other day. And when he arrived, there was, no one to greet him, but it was a different story when Vybz Kartel touched in Florida. From Vybz Kartel actually flew out secretly. But yeah, there's a difference between when Beanie Man arrived in America, you see me, and different between when Vybz Kartel arrived. Take a look, yeah.
Ready for America. Ready.
Like I'm saying, it's a good look for Vybz Kartel, the teacher, the world pass. Yes, man, it's a good look for the dog back in America right now. I set to attend the Grammys. You see me, we don't know who will win. You see me, a lot of people say he might win, and the only competition between him is Shensi and the Wheelers. So let me know what you think in the comment section, people. Let's chop it up. You see me, and say, who you think gonna win the Grammys? You think say it's gonna be Vybz Kartel, Shensi, and the Wheelers, or some of the other nominees on there? And yeah, what do you think about the moves Vybz Kartel been making since he's been out? You see me, I say, man, be making crazy moves. You see me, only been out for what, 6, 7 months now, and he's doing his thing. It's a good look, man. Big up to your boss. I like how he's been rebranding himself, how he's been connecting with the community, connecting with fans, how he's been giving back to the community, giving back to fans. You see me, I say it's a good look. You see me, man seems to be on a positive note. Don't see any bitterness, no itch, the hunger. You know what I'm saying? So it's a good look. Big up to your boss. You see me, like he moves everywhere. But yeah, man, again, let me know what you think about that in the comment section. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man. Till next time, again. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.